Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.2 on Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS version. But the process is same on all Ubuntu 24.04 versions. First open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. See, the latest version at the time of making this video is 17.2. So click on download, then select the Linux. Then select the Linux distribution. Select Ubuntu, scroll down. See here the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu, Noble, Mantic, Gemmy, Pocal, 24.04, 23.10, 22.04 and 20.04 LTS versions. Okay, scroll down. See, these are the commands that needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL 17.2. So copy these commands one by one. Copy it, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Ctrl A to clear screen. Now install this pgdg. Now import the sign-in key. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to create the repository configuration file. Copy this line, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. All done. Next, we have to install the PostgreSQL. Ctrl A. See, next step is install the PostgreSQL latest version. So give the sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you give this one, it will install the latest version. But if you want to install 16, give the -16. If you want to install 15, give -15. Okay. So I want to install latest version. So hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. Okay, so this is just confirmation. Type and hit enter. See, installation has been completed successfully. See, the default max connections is 100 and default shared buffer is 128 gigabytes and time zone, configuration files, etc. is information is here. And see here, this is the data directory. Okay, now we will check the status of the PostgreSQL. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL service is running and it is enabled. Ctrl A to clear screen. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres ESQL. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the version of the PostgreSQL server. But this is not the PostgreSQL server version. It is PSQL client version. Hit enter. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.2 on Ubuntu. Q to kit, Ctrl A. Now verify list of users. See, this is the default user that comes with PostgreSQL installation and which is having all privileges. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for this Postgres user. Alter user Postgres with password. Give the strong password. We have successfully set the password for the user Postgres. Now verify list of databases. \l is the command to verify the list of the databases. You can call the commands that starts with \l or meta commands. Okay. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. We can also get the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the databases. Now create a database. Create database bank. Now switch to this bank database and create a table. We can use the \c or \connect. Either is fine. Hit enter. Now we are in the bank database. \dt is the command to verify the list of the tables in the current database. See, we don't have any tables. So let us create a table. Control L to clear screen. Create table. Now verify. See, we have a table and we have created the table in public schema and owner name is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Let us verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create a user. Before that, verify user. See here, we have one user. Let us create a user. Create a user. Create user James with password. Provide the password in singular double quotes. We have successfully created. Again verify. See here, we have the user James. Now exit from this PSQL client by using the \q. Hit enter. Now connect to PostgreSQL by using this new user. Control L PSQL -u James -d. Then provide the -d means database name. Then provide the existing database name. Then give the localhost. Hit enter. Then provide the password of the James that we have provided. See, we have successfully connected with the user James. Let us verify the current user. Select current _ user. See, the current user is James. Now try to switch to bank database. See, we have successfully switched. But if you run the select star from customer, see, permission denied for the table customer. Because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges on the database objects. That's why we have received this error. Now exit, use the \q. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL 17.2 server on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. This won't work because this Postgres user doesn't have the permissions. If you hit enter, see, now it is asking password for the Postgres. So Control C to cancel. Now exit from the Postgres user. Now check the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is running. If you to quit, now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su -postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So to start it again, exit from this Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, PostgreSQL service is started 3 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Okay, so we have successfully restarted. Verify if you want. See, we have restarted 5 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL by using pgadmin or dbeaver. Okay, go to new tab, go to pgadmin.wars. Also open, go to dbeaver.io. See, pgadmin is the most popular and feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL, the most advanced open source database in the world. Scroll down, click on download, scroll down, then you have to click on apt. If you scroll down, see, these are the commands that needs to be executed to install the pgadmin. You can search for my YouTube channel, how to install pgadmin on Ubuntu, or search for the video description. Okay. The other tool is dbviewer. See, here we have two versions, dbviewer community and dbviewer pro. dbviewer community is open source version. This is the commercial version. So click on download. If you scroll down, see, here we have the Linux Debian package. You have to download it and we have to install it. Okay, go through this video description or my YouTube channel for how to install dbviewer on Ubuntu. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.2 on Ubuntu 24.04.1 LTS version. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.